Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a CTA pop-up timeline action using Zoom. Please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting registrants from the main event as targets for this action. Let's select Zoom from this list. Then, let's select CTA pop-up as our desired action. Let's enter our headline and subheadline. We can choose if we want to show a countdown or not. This time, let's select Yes. You can select from 6 different styles. For this example, we're selecting Style 1. Let's also select the countdown direction and location. We're selecting count up for the direction and bottom for the location. Let's also disable the hide pop-up option because I want it to show until the end of the webinar. If you want it to close after some time, you can set that up here. Once satisfied, let's click on Create. We have successfully added the CTA pop-up action to our timeline using Zoom. That would be all for this video. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to support. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.